Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was not going to film today, but I got a package I was waiting on, and I know a lot of you guys are probably waiting on the same package, and it is the Lucky Bags from Beautylish. And it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in the magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Lucky Bag 2018 Beautylish. And this is what it looks like. I only opened the box. I haven't opened this. So, let's find out what's in my lucky bag. I'm really curious to see other people's lucky bags as well, because I want to see if they're like standard or if everybody gets something different. Here you can see I love this tissue paper. It's so cute. Isn't that adorable? It's got the little tag here. Too cute. And these were pre-ordered, I believe, December 26th, so they came a little bit earlier than expected. You open it. Here's tissue paper. I'm gonna keep this. This is cute. So there's tissue paper. It's a box of paper. No. I feel something here. Let's see. I don't want to drop anything, 'cause I don't know what to expect. But it's in here. It's always nice when you get a surprise in the mail you forgot you ordered, and you don't know what the heck is in the package. Okay, we're gonna start out with, Kevyn Aucoin, the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. Ooh, very nice. Kevyn Aucoin's a high brand. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I have used this before. I don't have my own, but I think I used it at Sephora, and this is gonna be awesome. You take the little tap off, and it's just like, whoa, a little too much came out. This alone, I believe, ranges probably to $50, somewhere around there. I don't know. But I'm making a mess because I should have probably shaken it up. Now I'll show you how it got all over my hand. But it looks beautiful, and that is, I'm already happy with it. So this you can use, I believe, all over with your foundation, or you can use as a highlighter. It's beautiful. Let me see the back. Yeah, highlighter. But again, you can rub it in with your foundation if you want an all over glow. Amazing. Oh my God, this is awesome. Wayne Gauze brush. Oh yeah, it looks like a good blender brush. I have a couple of Wayne Gauze brushes, and they are all phenomenal. That right there is worth the price of this box. Right there. And there's more. Clean Apothecary, I'm so saying it wrong. Brush shampoo grapefruit. To use wet your brush and gently swirl it on top of the shampoo to create a rich lather rinse. Rinse well. That is good. Who cannot use more brush cleanser? Totally smells like grapefruit. Not a grapefruit fan, but it's only to clean my brushes, and I could definitely use it. And then we have, oh wow, we have Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. Oh my God. This is amazing. Amazing. Look up there. That is a beautiful color, you guys. Can you see that? It is in, if I could read the bottom, I should get my glasses out my sister gave me. I don't know. Instant Glamour in a Tube Dolly Bird. We'll swatch it. There were 2 box sizes. There was the smaller one, and then there was the, I think like a $150. I got the smaller one. I don't smell anything. So this is amazing. I have like 2 lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. Very good. Very, very good. Oh my God. You're not gonna believe what's in here. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. The Anastasia Prism palette. Ooh, and I already have it. This may go on the giveaway for 500 subscribers. This is a phenomenal palette, you guys, and it is worth the money. Wow, that was great. It's a shame I already have it. I'm so excited, super, super excited, because I will totally use that in the giveaway. Sulawesi. I'm hacking the name. Brightening mask. Sulawesi. Okay, I don't know. But anyways, it is a brightening mask. So I will totally use that. I always use a good mask. That's the top of the tissue. Oh my gosh. There's a bottom. It's just more tissue. I got excited, but I can't complain, you guys. And that is the end of the journey. I'm still keeping this tissue paper. And I have to say that this is the first time I've ever heard of this. This is the first year I have ever done it. And I am very, very pleased with everything I got. I am not complaining. I love both of those, the Kevyn Aucoin. I love the Charlotte Tilbury and the Wayne Gauze brush. I will totally use the heck out of. I will definitely use this for my brushes, which I have been cleaning them slowly. I wipe them every day with a cleanser, but deep cleaning. And the Prism palette. Oh yeah, guys, I have this already. So this may go in the giveaway. Anyways, that was exciting. I really enjoyed that. It was a nice surprise. So I am curious. I hope I know other YouTubers are gonna post what they got, and some of them got the bigger boxes. Maybe next year, if I choose to, I will. But I am pleasantly pleased with this box. It is awesome. I will use everything in there, and I'm not complaining even though I have that palette, because it is a amazing palette, you guys. So let me know what you got, and comment below if you ordered this Lucky Box and if you got the same things or different, and I will see you again soon. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you click subscribe and the notification bell. I'm watching that, and you guys have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all stay healthy. Keep clear away from the flu, please. It's horrifying, and I will see you soon.